Vollrath induction ranges are built with serviceability in mind. Hobs are designed to operate independently, so if one ever needs attention, it doesn't affect the rest of the unit. If you ever need to replace a hob, simply follow these easy steps or reference the service manual. You will need hob replacement kit, Phillips head screwdriver, dry cloth. Unplug the induction unit from the wall. Do not service equipment without verifying power is disconnected and the unit is cool. It is recommended to have extra assistance with the larger units. Feel free to reorient the unit for easier access. On the heavy-duty or drop-in induction range, remove the 4 screws holding the metal panel under the desired hob. On the dual countertop induction range, first remove the screws on the back. There are 5 on the side-by-side unit and 4 on the front-to-back configuration. Then, remove the 5 screws from the bottom of the unit. Remove the textured thumb screws on the bottom side of the unit. Remove the top cover. Undo any cable strap securing the power and USB-C cords. Unplug the colored power cords and black nylon USB-C cords from the hob. When this area on top is pushed in, the connector can be disconnected from the hob by pulling away. Note that on the dual drop-in induction unit, this area is the air intake. Push the bottom of the hob upward, using the kit suction cup on the glass top to pull up if needed. Remove any glue residue from the resting ring and case. Attach the suction cup to the new hob. Place cords strategically for easy installation. Find the white front sticker on the hob, then lower the hob into the opening with the sticker facing the front. Press down on the hob so the glass and gasket are flush with the metal case. Reattach the power and USB-C cords to the new hob, securing excess wires with the existing cable straps. Reattach the metal panel. Replace and tighten the textured thumb screws to hold the hob in place. Power on the unit and verify that all hobs are working properly. Your induction unit is now ready for use. For more information on this product or any others, please visit us online at vollrathfoodservice.com.